Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another Python tutorial. Today, however, it's a very interesting and different type of a video and a tutorial. So today we'll be making a display calendar with only 4 lines of code. So it's very interesting. So without any further ado, let's begin. So now I am in my Python's IDLE. The first thing we're gonna type in is we're gonna type import calendar. Now, what is import calendar? Now, whenever you import something, it is a module. You always import modules. Now, in Python they are called as modules, and in Java they are called as packages and stuff. I don't know much about Java though. So they call modules, and modules are nothing but they are packages itself. They help you in doing a certain thing. Like in this video, the calendar module helps us to make calendars. Okay, so next we are going to define the year and the month. So we're going to type YY for year equals to 2021 because it's 2021 now. You can put in any year you want, and we are going to define the month, which is second month because it's February now, and also again you can put any month you want. Now we're going to say print calendar dot month. In brackets we're going to define the values we made, the YY and MM, which indicate the year and the month. So now when we run this program, it will show. Now as you can see, it shows February 2021 and Monday 15th of February, Monday. So it is the correct date, which is pretty good. Our program works. Now this is just the basic display calendar, but you can do some adjustments to make it a bit more spicier. And what we can do is we can say YY equals integer bracket input, and we can say anything here actually. I am going to write please enter year. You can write like enter year, or and also when something is in double quotes, that means it's a string and you can write anything in it and it will just print it on the screen. So first we define the year, and now what will happen is the user can put a number, a year, and then next we are going to define the month. So equals integer bracket input, and we're gonna write a string again in the double quotes in another bracket, and we're gonna write again please enter month, and make sure to write months this time. And now what will happen is the user can input a month like 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. So yeah, this is basically it. Now let's run this program and let's see what has changed. Now if you see, it shows please enter a year. I'm going to say 2021, and next it says please enter a month. I'm going to write 2, and then it shows us our calendar. It's again the same calendar, but this time it let us choose which year's calendar we wanted. You can see again it shows February 2021, 15th of Monday, which is the correct date of today, and the values might change if you're watching this video 10-15 days afterwards I upload. Anyways, you can put any year and it will show the correct time. So this was it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.